Okay, today we're going to talk about how to secure your catheter after you've completed a treatment. Most people use a PD belt, which is one of these thin sticks. See, this is kind of large. But the concept is it goes around your waist or underneath your bra if you're female, either or. And it has two pieces of Velcro, little straps, where you would take your catheter and you velcro it in, and then there's a little snug pouch right here, and there we are. Your catheter, let me stand up, is secured. Don't mind this. This is my insulin pump, and invisible, basically. But I have come up with another way, because sometimes this PD belt can be a little bit uncomfortable. Sometimes you can see it through your clothing, or sometimes it's just itchy and a little bit constricting. So I would remove my catheter from the PD belt and Velcro it, set that to the side. Now sometimes it does work, sometimes it is a lifesaver. But what I like to do, I like to use 4x4 island dressings. You're all familiar with these. They are used to keep your site covered. Well, come up with a neat way to utilize the thousands and thousands of island dressings that I have. It doesn't have to be sterile or clean or anything because you're already covered up. And what you do is, let's see, you take your catheter and you place the red part against your skin, and then you wrap it around so the tip of your catheter lays on top of the red part, creating a loop. Now, you can do one or two things. You can take your patient line clamp, your catheter clamp, and you can also snug it in there, or you can leave the loop out. Well, this way, with it snugged in there, you just take that clamp and you snug it against the other two, and it leaves you a nice little loop on the outside. But your catheter is secure, it's in place, it's not constricting, the tape is not too sticky, it doesn't hurt. It's the same tape that you use to cover your site, and voila. Pull your pants up, or however you wear your pants, pull your shirt down, and like I said, almost invisible. Voila. And that is how to secure your catheter, sorry. Any more questions or comments, please feel free to leave them. You can email me at de99213609@gmail.com. I'm happy to answer any of your dialysis, kidney, or PD questions. Also, throw in there some insulin pump questions. I'll be happy to do those too. All right, till next time.